Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Wednesdays powered by
Firewave, and today we're here to talk to you about why stamps, not francs, work on your letters. And we have to tell you that when we were talking to Tilly about this, who's behind the camera right now, she thought franc was a person.
Yes. So swiftly moving on from that. Point number one, it makes it more personal, and if you receive a letter, an envelope with a stamp on it, you are guaranteed to want to see what's inside there.
Yeah, absolutely you do. Yeah, it's much more compelling, isn't it, than a franc. Yeah. It feels like it's much more personal, and that's going to compel you to open it.
And it feels more important, and also you know it's definitely not a bill if it's got a stamp on there.
Yeah, people who send you bills don't generally put a stamp on, so that's going to make you want to open it, isn't it?
Yeah, and it's the curiosity. Obviously, you'll be
well, yeah, no, that's right. What's inside it? You want to open it, don't you? See what's inside it. So curiosity is going to be a strong factor. And actually, it stands out because I guarantee you that if any of the other agents in your area, if any of your competitors are sending out letters, they're almost certainly sending them out franked or mail sort or something like that to save themselves a few pennies. So we say definitely send them out with a stamp on it, which will make sure it gets opened. Now, have we tested first class versus second class? What's your thoughts on that, James?
Good question, Sam. We have tested a lot, and it doesn't make any difference whatsoever. So obviously we use second class because it saves us 12p a stamp, so it doesn't make any difference. It
doesn't sound like 12p a stamp, but when you're sending out 200-300 a month, which is what we're doing, per agency, then it's actually a lot of money. So save yourself 12p, but always use a stamp and not a franc. Bye for now.